Switch on. Switch off. Husqvarna have created the world's first fully automatic lawnmower, perfect for those who want a beautifully cut lawn, permanently, but who've better things to do than mow it. It's simple to set up. The low voltage boundary cable and staples enable you to define the cutting area. Programming is just as easy, and when completed, Automower is ready to get on with the job of mowing safely and efficiently. 4 models. One job successfully delegated. Automower gives you the freedom to enjoy a quiet time in the garden or something more active. In fact, you can leave it home alone, confident that it's busy doing a brilliant job. Automower's innovative technology is like no other. Optimal performance combined with complete user-friendliness. Razor-like blades produce the ultimate clean cut. Shorter clippings mean better fertilizing. Combined with a random cutting pattern, this results in the lawn surface you've always dreamt of. Automower also looks as good as it cuts, turning heads as well as it turns corners. Automower Solar Hybrid is the world's first automatic lawnmower that's partly powered by the sun. That means it uses less energy than any conventional mower and cuts for longer without the need for recharging. Better for the planet. Brilliant for your energy levels. High engine power helps Automower handle the hills. Thanks to the boundary cable, Automower knows where to mow and where not to go. Its anti-theft alarm and unique PIN code maximize security. It's safe and easy to handle. It's quiet and discreet, with low energy consumption and no emissions. Day or night, rain or shine. Automower goes on mowing while you enjoy living. Husqvarna Automower, the end of lawn mowing as we know it.